Accused scorned lovers met up with the object of their affection in Calumet County Court today.
4 women, 3 of them who were romantically linked to the alleged victim, Danessa Davis, will now proceed to trial based on what happened in court today on charges of holding Davis against his will. Fox 11's Mark Leland has balanced coverage of today's court hearing, which included Davis on the stand.
One by one, attorneys for the 4 defendants questioned Danessa Davis to see what role, if any, their clients played in holding Davis against his will and assaulting him with crazy glue. Davis told the court he went to the Lakeview Motel in Calumet County to meet Therese Zeman.
Before that date, you agreed that bondage would become part of your sexual experience. Is that right?
Yeah.
But Davis says there was a knock on the door, and the 3 other defendants, including his estranged wife and another lover, entered the room.
I guess that's when, it went to a different level where I was, wanting to leave. But it got chaotic real quick, real fast.
Davis's answers were at times slow, and he appeared uncertain of all the facts. He was sure it was Zeman who crazy glued his genitals to his stomach, and he testified he asked the group to untie him from the bed.
Be cut loose, I said let me loose.
The judge indicated that was enough probable cause to bind all 4 women over for trial. District Attorney Ken Kratz was pleased but declined an on-camera interview. Only Michelle Beliveau's attorney offered a not guilty plea on behalf of his client. The other 3 will proceed to an arraignment hearing. But before that, expect a motion to dismiss by at least 1 defendant.
The law does not require someone to turn someone loose, to stop someone else from doing something, and that cannot constitute false imprisonment.
Beliveau's attorney isn't ruling out a plea deal, but also likes his odds at facing a jury.
I think that there's an emotional impact to this case that could very well go against him,
suggesting Davis might not be viewed as the victim in this case. The other 3 women who did not enter pleas will get their chance to do so next month. In Chilton, Mark Leland, Fox 11 News.
Arraignments for the 3 women who did not enter their pleas today, as Mark mentioned, will be held next month. Davis, meanwhile, remains behind bars in Fond du Lac County on charges of child abuse and harassment based on allegations from his wife.